Hey everybody, this is Kiki, and if you want to see how I made this beautiful colorful set, stick around. Hey y'all, so long time no see. So I'm back with another set that I'm going to be making on this channel today. So for this set, I'm doing some stiletto nail tips. So you can see I got the shape nice and sharp and everything looking nice and weaponized. So for this set, I wanted to do a set without any rhinestones this time. So I'm trying to do more sets without the rhinestones. So for this, of course, I have to do my Frenchies, but I wanted to do something different because I usually do like really simple Frenchies. So I really wanted to try this abstract art nail art that I saw on Pinterest. So that is what I'm trying for this one. So first things first, of course, you got to put a nice nude base for any French tip that you do. So of course, I'm using my favorite not polished Nude Me, which is the name of the acrylic, and I'm just putting that on top of the nail for my base. Okay, so once I'm done applying the acrylic, now I'm just going ahead with my sanding band drill bit, and I'm just sanding the nails, making sure everything is nice and smooth, make sure there's no lumps and bumps. And the acrylic application actually wasn't that bad, so I actually end up only having to just file just a little bit, and then I'm just taking the nail file and I'm just going to hit them side walls really good just to make sure that that sharpness is there, because without the sharpness there, would it be a true stiletto, right? Like if you're gonna dang near stab yourself, then that's a true stiletto. So yeah, making sure that that point is nice and sharp. And then after buffing the nails and filing them, this is how they look once I clean them off with some alcohol, and now they are ready for the nail art. Okay, so for the base color, I'm going to be using Madam Glam, and it's called Cashmere Gray. I just really needed like a bright color just to use as the base for the Frenchies. So this color is going to be used as a base in my guideline, so that way I know where to place the colors at. So right now I'm just going to make some Frenchies with this polish. So then after using a liner brush to line up my Frenchie, and now I'm just filling it in with a brush from the polish bottle, and then I'm going in with my liner brush just to deepen the French a little bit more. This is not easy at all. Like, I don't get why people complain about how Frenchies are so expensive and why you charging this much for Frenchies. It's such a simple design. Like, no, it's simple to you, but to me, or any nail tech that does nails will know, like, this is one of the hardest designs to do. Like, it looks so simple, but it's so hard to do. Like, as you can see, like, I have to do a lot of corrections and make sure that I clean up and make sure that the lines look smooth and straight, because with Frenchies, they are a very tedious type of design. And the thing is with Frenchies is that if you move like a little bit, any sudden movements, if you cough, if you sneeze, whatever, that Frenchie gonna be jacked up, period. Okay. And for people who complain about the prices of Frenchies, I like to see you do it. I like to see you try, because I guarantee you, if you try to do this, you're gonna be crying, and then you're gonna be coming to me asking me to do your nails, and you don't care what the price is, because you see how hard it is to do. You know, like, Frenchies is definitely not easy. So for anybody out there, nail techs, you feel how I feel, like, it's definitely, you know, difficult, but yeah, you do what you can. After doing all the Frenchies, I went ahead and cured them for 60 seconds, and this is how the nails end up coming out. And now we're getting ready to put on the colors. Okay, so now for my colors, I decided to do 3. So I did the orange, the teal, and then kind of like this purplish pink right over here. For the first color, I decided to start off with teal, so I'm just adding kind of like a wavy effect line onto the nail. And I'm kind of doing varieties of different sizes, so some of it is going to be really thick, some of it going to be really thin, but I'm kind of creating almost like an abstract art onto the Frenchie. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to execute. So yeah, going in with the teal first. Doing the same thing like I did with the teal, I'm now taking the orange and I'm placing it in different spots. So some is going to be by the teal, other places going to be just by itself. And then I'm going to do the same thing with that purplish pink that I have, and also place it in the rest of the spots that are missing, and just kind of giving it again that swirling effect. So I'm just kind of waving the line down a little bit, and then I'm just filling it in with my liner brush. Okay, so now I'm just putting on the Ideal Beauty non-white top coat to finish off my nails, and I'm using my new nail polish bottles that I just got from Amazon a few weeks ago, and these nail polish bottles are the truth. All I did was fill in one of the bottles with my Ideal Beauty top coat, and I filled it in the empty bottles, and the brushes work so really well. They hold a lot of products, so I'm able to polish each nail without having to redip my polish bottle too many times, or the polish brush too many times. Also, it spreads the product a lot more quicker, so it didn't take me long to top coat the nails at all, and it's nice and round, so you can really get into the crooks and crevices of the cuticles. Say you're doing a manicure or an acrylic set, it just really gets up in there. So yeah, definitely perfect and worth the investment, I can say that. Okay, so after curing the nails for 60 seconds, this is how the nails end up coming out, and they came out so pretty. I absolutely love these nails, and what's great is I didn't have to add any rhinestones to them, so these are perfect for any occasion. If you just want something simple but still kind of on the colorful bougie side, these nails are perfect. These nails will be available on my Etsy shop by tomorrow, so if you want to check the link for any other sets that I have made on this channel as well, go right ahead. I would love for you to check it out. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video to show me some support. And if you also want to check out any other sets that I made, you can also check out my playlist as well in my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media sites on TikTok and Instagram, and you can follow me on Facebook if you want. I really don't use Facebook that much, but hey, go right ahead if you want to. All the support is appreciated. With that being said, I'll see y'all next time, and y'all have a good one. Be blessed. Bye.